Okay, here's the two round discs and the motors for the motorized one. These are the new motors that are very, very quiet compared, our old ones were quiet, but these are much, much better after working with the manufacturer for almost a year. We got it down packed. Okay, that's them rotating and at that speed. Now we're going to change the speed. It's gone slower. Okay, see how quiet it is? Now it's going to go faster. You can hear the sound. And now even faster. Not too shabby. That's the decibel reading in the room here. Now you can see when I talk how loud it gets. So let's see what happens when the motors come on. Not too shabby, huh? That's at the lower speed. Faster speed. Now let's try the faster speed, on the quickest speed or the fastest speed. Awesome, huh? Yep. And this is all due to our proprietary technology that we have here. Those motors are being spun right off this disc. We have a special circuitry we built in right here that allows us to do that.